After we storm an Offenburg tonight, we'll have to disappear.
The guards change shortly after midnight. That's when we strike. In and out, whether with blood on our hands or not.
We'll start to fire, create a distraction, and Zen dissa PAR from Offenburg.
I just don't know if it's really such a good idea to split up.
Artair knows what he's doing. After all, we're all still alive.
We'll prove to them that we're the best. The birds will strike again. Or Artair?
We will spread our wings. We will fly. We will swoop down on them. And we will steal much more than just their gold.
I thought that was it.
A legendary ambush by a fox.
At least this attacker has some sense.
Sadly true.
Put out the fire. Don't leave any traces. Let's fly.
Let's dive into the chaos.